Options. What does this term mean in financial markets? If you guys don't know about options or wish that I should bring out an introductory video about it, please drop down comment option. To know how options work, let's discuss a trade that I had taken 2 months back. In that trade, even when my analysis was correct and the underlying equity moved in my direction for about 2%, then also I had to encounter a loss of 8,000 rupees. You want to know why? Then please stick down to the video and let me bring up the screen for you. The screen, I have brought up Reliance equity chart on 1 hour time frame, my preferred time frame for analysis. On 1 hour time frame, somewhere in mid-July, it formed a swing high that was of 1550. From there, it started correcting. The correction started with a big red candle as marked here. Then after that, it came down in the form of a downward sloping parallel channel. In that channel, it came up to 1470 levels. Then there was aggravated selling. After that aggravated selling, it again started trading in a downward sloping parallel channel as the one that I have marked. While it was in this channel, somewhere here on 30th of July, I could find that this downward move has found a bottom as it quickly rebounded, and with this rebound it came to the latest swing low, that is latest lower low, this one. You can see from here price has bounced back and it was hovering somewhere at this level. The next day there was a gap down and I saw it as a very good opportunity to go long. That is on 31st of July. So on 31st of July, in this candle, which was when this equity was at 1395 price, I went long in a call option. The same day it rose and touched the recent resistance level. However, against my expectation, it found resistance there and started coming down again below my entry level also, and I was in and my positions were in red. However, I did not panic and I held on to it. Some days ahead, it started recovering, and when it recovered and when it reached at the levels of 1411, that is on 20th of August, somewhere at 1420 levels, I saw a good profit and I booked it. That was my previous trade. After I booked, I could see price moved a little bit up to 1430 levels. And this 1430 level, you can see this is the lowest high. After this big downfall, this is the lowest high. Okay. When it reached there, it found resistance and started coming down again. From 1430 levels, it found resistance and started coming down again. I saw it as a good opportunity, and on 26th of August, when it came again to 1395 levels, remember 1395, that was my previous entry long. I saw a good opportunity and I went long again in the call option. However, this time fate had decided something else for me. Wanna know what? Let me show you. So I went long again on 26th of August when underlying equity was around 1395 levels. I have marked it with a green up arrow to distinguish it later. After that, next day there was a annual general meeting, AGM meeting, And in that meeting, there was some news, and you can see this red candle, big red candle with this big upper tail. This was the kind of volatility on that meeting's day. I was not active. I was not actively watching charts on that day. If I had, I would have booked my profits here when price came up to 1405 or 146 levels. But then when I opened the chart, the price was already below at somewhat 1370 or something like that. So seeing a great loss, I decided not to book it as this was a news related event. And so in moments of volatility, it is better to stick with the positions. That is what I did. And there was a recovery, and after some days, I could see a bullish structure forming in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. I, s- I thought this is a I, I thought that this time now remember this 1430 level, this was the lowest high in this downtrend. I thought that this time prices may break out of this level and move up. However, that did not happen. When price came near that level, it started coming down again. It came in the form of a downward sloping parallel channel marked by this one. It started coming down and touched the previous low, this one, 1350 levels. After that, it started forming a symmetrical triangular pattern. I have drawn this symmetrical triangular pattern. And recently it broke out of this pattern when prices reached the apex of symmetrical triangle. And this time when prices was near this lowest high, also also at this time my option was near expiry. If you guys remember, I had opened this position in somewhere in 26th of August. I had bought October option. And so since October expiry was near, just 2 weeks later it is October expiry. And also Reliance quarterly results was due. And seeing all the good factors and after a very and after a prolonged down move, there was a up move, and in this up move my loss also decreased. When it was somewhere here, my loss was around 20,000 or something. From there it came, the loss decreased up to 8,000. Seeing a good opportunity, I did not want to take the risk of holding positions over the quarterly result. At the lowest high, that is resistance point, I booked my positions with a loss of 8,000. However, you can see the results were very good, and there was a gap up, and it just burst out. Though on the next day I was very much upset that why did I close my positions, but that is the part of the game we are in. We have to accept the losses with a heavy heart. Now let's zoom out the chart. Okay, let me mark this my selling position. I had sold here at 1422 levels. Now let's see my entry price. My entry price was here and my exit was here. Okay. From 1395 to 1422. It is almost 2%. Right? However, the time that it took, it is nearly 2 months, or we can say 1.5 months. So in these 1.5 months, the option premium decayed very much due to theta decay. And that is why, even though the underlying equity moved up by 2% in my direction, my options could not give profits. I have brought up the options chart. 28th October expiry 1400 CE call option on 1 hour time frame. Remember, my entry was on 26th of August, and If you guys check the screenshot, my entry price was somewhere around 47, 40, 50 around. So 50 is somewhere here. Let me draw a horizontal line here. See, after my entry, it did not give me any profits. On the Only on the AGM day, it was slightly up. However, as you remember, I was not active on the charts that day, and when I looked up, it was in a loss somewhere here. After that, it hovered near it. I had I had a chance to close my position since break even. However, since the expiry was far away from here, I decided to risk it for a up move. However, the risk was however the risk did not favor me and it came down. Recently, from making the lows, it was moving up and somewhere at 34 levels I booked my profits. Had I held onto it over the weekends, I could have booked at least up to I could have booked in profits. That is the thing with options. Even though your analysis is correct, you can't 100% say that you will make profits. In options, there are the price of options depends on various other factors, and if you neglect the remaining factors, then you will end up like me, booking a loss. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me now quickly wrap up this video.
That was all about today's report. Please like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications of latest videos. Bye bye traders. See you in the next report. Adios amigo. Powering off.